Welcome to Nature's Haven. Today, we embark on a captivating journey into the magnificent world of trees. Trees are more than just silent observers of our world. They're pillars of life, providing us with oxygen, shelter, and a haven for countless creatures. Trees are nature's guardians, vital for sustaining life on Earth. From towering giants to delicate saplings, they offer a myriad of benefits that extend far beyond their aesthetic beauty. They oxygenate the air we breathe, mitigate climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide, and serve as habitats for a plethora of wildlife, fostering biodiversity. The diversity of trees is astounding. From the robust oak to the graceful cherry blossom, each species holds its own charm and distinctive features. Deciduous trees shed their leaves in fall, while conifers remain evergreen. Tropical trees dazzle with vibrant colors, and ornamental trees add elegance to landscapes. Trees have deep-rooted cultural significance worldwide, revered in folklore, art, and spiritual practices for centuries. From the sacred body tree to the enduring symbol of the tree of life, trees embody resilience, wisdom, and the circle of life in cultural narratives. As stewards of the planet, it's crucial to protect and preserve our invaluable tree resources. Efforts like reforestation, sustainable logging practices, and creating urban green spaces are vital in safeguarding trees for future generations. Absolutely. The significance of trees encompasses their multifaceted role in sustaining life, contributing to the environment, and supporting ecosystems. Here's a deeper exploration. Ecological importance. Oxygen production. Trees are essential for producing oxygen through photosynthesis, converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, and thereby improving air quality. Carbon sequestration. They act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing carbon in their biomass, thereby mitigating climate change by reducing greenhouse gases. Biodiversity and habitat. Habitat for wildlife. Trees provide habitats for countless species of birds, insects, and animals. They offer shelter, nesting sites, and food sources, contributing to biodiversity. Ecosystem services. Trees support complex ecosystems by providing food, shelter, and resources for various organisms, contributing to the overall balance and health of ecosystems. Soil health and water conservation. Soil erosion prevention. Tree roots anchor the soil, preventing erosion and maintaining soil stability, which is crucial for preserving fertile land and preventing landslides. Water regulation. Trees play a role in regulating the water cycle by absorbing water and releasing it through transpiration, contributing to local climates and preventing floods. Human well-being and benefits. Health and well-being. Trees in urban areas improve mental health, reduce stress, and enhance the quality of life by providing shade, reducing noise pollution, and creating aesthetically pleasing environments. Economic value. Trees contribute to economies through timber production, supporting industries, providing raw materials, and offering employment opportunities in forestry and related sectors. Cultural and spiritual significance. Cultural symbols. Trees hold cultural significance across societies, symbolizing life, strength, wisdom, and resilience in folklore, art, and spiritual beliefs. Traditions and rituals. Many cultures have traditions linked to specific trees, considering them sacred or using them in rituals and ceremonies, emphasizing their spiritual importance. Climate change mitigation and adaptation. Rolling climate resilience. Trees contribute to climate resilience by providing shade, cooling urban areas, and helping mitigate the effects of heat waves. Adaptation strategies. Planting trees and preserving forests are essential strategies in combating climate change, as they contribute to carbon sequestration and support climate adaptation efforts. Trees serve as integral components of our ecosystems, playing diverse roles that contribute to the environment, support life, and enrich human well-being. Understanding their significance underscores the importance of their preservation and sustainable management for future generations. Absolutely. The significance of trees encompasses their multifaceted role in sustaining life, contributing to the environment, and supporting ecosystems. Here's a deeper exploration. Ecological importance. Oxygen production. Trees are essential for producing oxygen through photosynthesis, converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, and thereby improving air quality. Carbon sequestration. They act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing carbon in their biomass. Certainly, the cultural and spiritual significance of trees spans across civilizations, often symbolizing life, wisdom, resilience, and spiritual connections. Let's explore this aspect in greater detail. Symbolism in different cultures. Tree of life. Many cultures worldwide depict trees as a symbol of life, representing growth, fertility, and interconnectedness. This symbol appears in ancient mythology, religious texts, and cultural folklore across diverse societies. Wisdom and knowledge. Trees are often associated with wisdom, enlightenment, and the quest for knowledge. In various cultures, such as Norse mythology or Celtic traditions, trees like Yggdrasil or the Celtic tree of life represent wisdom and guidance. Sacred and spiritual trees, sacred groves, trees and forests hold sacred significance in many indigenous cultures and religions. Sacred groves are revered as places of worship, offering spiritual connections and rituals for local communities. Divine connections. Trees are linked to deities or spiritual beings in different belief systems, serving as meeting places between the earthly and spiritual realms. Some trees are believed to embody divine presence or serve as markers of sacred spaces. Rituals and traditions. Tree worship. Many cultures have traditions of tree worship, performing rituals or ceremonies honoring specific trees. Trees are revered for their role in providing life-sustaining resources and acting as protectors of communities. Ceremonial planting. Planting trees ceremonially is a common practice in various cultures, symbolizing new beginnings, blessings, and the continuity of life. Environmental ethics and connections. Environmental stewardship. Trees hold moral and ethical value in several cultural beliefs, emphasizing the importance of conservation, sustainable use, and respect for nature. Ancestral connections. Trees are often associated with ancestry and lineage, serving as ancestral symbols or sites for commemorating family history and traditions. Art literature and symbolism, artistic inspiration. Trees have inspired artistic expressions in paintings, literature, poetry, and folklore. They symbolize themes of resilience, growth, and the cycle of life in various artistic works. Metaphorical representations. Trees are used metaphorically in storytelling and poetry to convey deeper meanings, representing strength, endurance, and interconnectedness. Healing and medicinal beliefs. Medicinal properties. Trees have been revered for their medicinal properties in traditional healing practices. Bark, leaves, and extracts from various trees are used in herbal remedies across cultures. Purification and renewal. Some cultures believe that trees possess purifying qualities, cleansing negative energies, and renewing spiritual connections. The cultural and spiritual significance of trees spans diverse beliefs, traditions, and practices worldwide, reflecting their enduring symbolism and profound connections to human existence. Spirituality and the natural world. Absolutely. Conservation efforts and the future of trees are crucial considerations for ensuring their survival and the health of our planet. Let's delve deeper into conservation initiatives and strategies for the future. Reforestation and afforestation. Restoring forests. Reforestation involves replanting trees in areas where forests have been degraded or lost due to deforestation, wildfires, or land clearing. Afforestation programs. Afforestation aims to create new forests in areas that have not historically been forested, such as degraded landscapes or barren landsands, to restore biodiversity and ecosystem services. Sustainable logging and forest management. Responsible forestry practices. Sustainable logging involves harvesting trees in a manner that minimizes environmental impact, promotes regeneration, and maintains forest health. Forest certification. Certification programs ensure that timber and forest products come from responsibly managed forests, encouraging sustainable practices and supporting conservation. Urban green spaces and tree planting. Urban forests, creating and preserving urban green spaces, parks, and tree-lined streets are vital for improving air quality, reducing heat islands, and providing habitats for urban wildlife. Community planting initiatives involving communities in tree planting campaigns fosters environmental awareness, encourages community engagement, and promotes a sense of ownership in conservation efforts. As we conclude this ode to trees, let's remember their profound significance and the responsibility we bear in nurturing and protecting these guardians of our planet. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our natural world. Until next time.